Wrap your peepers around this. This is the new Zeekr 8X and it's coming to Australia in around mid-2028. It's been confirmed and it's a very different animal to its more popular models that are on sale right now. The EVs being the 7X and the X, because this is a plug-in hybrid. Oh yeah. This big, bad 5.1 metre luxury powerhouse won't be cheap with an expected price tag between $90,000 and $100,000, although to be honest, I don't think it's going to go under 6 figures. So that means it's going to be gunning for the likes of the Porsche Cayenn and BMW X5. Yes, it will be a little bit cheaper, but this thing has some serious performance chops. And what do you think of the design? It's quite angular. It's a bit big boss sort of car, if you like. But if you're thinking this is just another sensible hybrid for the school run, think again. Despite being a plug-in hybrid, Zeekr has packed this with a whole bunch of EV-style gubbins, like 900-volt charging architecture. So this battery will charge faster than you can pretty much drink a coffee in the morning. And how's this? This insane machine features a triple motor system, developing a insane 1,030 kilowatts. That's almost 1,400 horsepower in the top spec variant. We're not sure what we're getting yet. Spec, features, price, power, performance, all that has not been confirmed for Australia yet, but this thing can be powerful. According to Zeekr, this thing will blast from 0 to 100 in less than 3 seconds. That sounds kind of unbelievable and unnecessary, but you know, that's what you want, that's what you can get. Hopefully there'll be a less powerful version that mere mortals can get, and maybe it'll be a bit cheaper as well. So where does all that power come from? Well, it comes from a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine and a pair of high output e-motors. They're the ones that deliver the big bang acceleration, because this thing is not light. This is like a giant brick pushing through the air. So for the tech heads out there, you want to know all the battery stuff. Well, this thing has pretty big battery for a plug-in hybrid. It is, let me double check, 55 kilowatt or 70 kilowatt hour batteries. That is like an EV. But because you've got the petrol motor as well, this will do up to 1,400 kilometers on one charge. That is an interstate cruiser, no problem. Zeekr is even saying this has a range of around 400 kilometers on the CLTC scale. So think maybe 300 kilometers on the scale we use, WLTP. That's still pretty good. All right, so this thing measures over 5.1 meters. It's bigger than a Toyota Land Cruiser, and hopping into the seats, it is very nice. This is a step up from the Zeekr 7X, from the 007 GT. We also had a bit of a poke around in, and it is lovely. It's wall-to-wall leather. It is just every, well, okay, you got some suede up here on the headliner, but it feels nice. This is Mercedes level swish. It is quite remarkable. Every single surface, and I mean every single, and there's even what appears to be open pore wood down here as well. La-dee-da. So despite the crazy performance, this car focuses on, you know, top level comfort. So they have in the back the Eames style chairs, but even these seats in the front are really, really comfortable. They are, I don't know how many way adjustable, a lot. I'm going to say 12, 14, 20, who the heck knows. And the operating system here is in Chinese Mandarin, and I'm not sure how to do it, but I guarantee it's going to have massaging seats, probably, you know, squirts mist in your face if you're feeling tired. I don't know, it's pretty cool. Probably not that. All right, I hacked the system. I figured out how to get seat massaging. I'm not sure which mode I'm in, but it is absolutely pummeling my back at the moment. And check out these massive screens. These are 3.5K OLED screens, and they are just fantastic. Let's hit the car button. Okay, still doesn't make sense. Back to the massage, thank you. There's the open pore, very nice. Cup holders, sweet. You've got adaptive suspension here. What should we put it in? What mode? Let's put it in that mode. Yeah, sweet. Dual wireless phone charging with cooling. I love the fact you've still got some hard controls there. How do you open this bad boy? Oh, here. Butterfly with lots of USB ports. Nice. Very, very nice. You got a small digital screen here, and the steering wheel is quite nice. Flat bottom, flat top, and a fairly basic setup. Oh, look at this. We've got lots and lots of, how do we go 3D? Is that it? No? I don't know what's going on there. You've got the digital display here, plus a 44 12-inch augmented reality head-up display. A little bit hard to see everything there. I think we can see a little bit. Very cool. And here's some more of the open pore wood. It is quite lovely, and check it out. You've even got a name stereo. Apparently this is also used by Peekaboo. This is also used by Bentley, and the system is a 29 speaker sound system, including speakers in the headrests. Zeekr says this is the only one of its kind in the world. Do we believe them? Yeah, I don't know. Some of the other chassis features in this car include dual chamber air suspension. You can adjust the ride height, and it's also got active rear anti-roll bar, so it should handle quite flat. Plus there are 13 distinct driving modes. If you ask me, that's overkill. I think you need 3 or 4 tops. 13 seems like a bit too many. About 9 too many. All right, so let's have a look at these Eames-inspired back seats. This looks pretty good back here. Very large, lots going on. There's almost the same amount of controls as the front seats. In fact, there is. We can have massage, we can have heating, and we can have cooled all at the same time. Yes, please. All right, let's give them a quick test. In we hop. Yes, this is comfortable. This is super comfortable. It's big. 5.1 meters, baby. Yeah, this would be quite nice. Do I have auto closing doors? Yes, it does. Sick. All right, let's jack the seat up a little bit. Oh, we've got air vents here. There's all sorts going on, and check this out. There's a screen here. I'm not sure how you open it. Oh, there we go. Rip, rip, wood chip. This is cool. That's probably 400K. Nah, it'd be like 3.5, 4K. Oh, Spider-Verse. Hook that up, yes. So yes, the back seat is ridiculously comfortable. I am in the lap of luxury here. And I kind of hope they do maybe a dialed back version, because this is there's even tray tables. Look at this. And they're beautifully engineered too. This is business class. And look at this, you can adjust all the, it's hard to see there, but you can adjust all the different features in the back. Plus, hello, fridge. Gotta have the fridge. Keep the, what do we keep it cold? Beers? Sprite? I don't know. But yeah, this is grand. All right, I'm gonna chill out and watch some cartoons, I think. The attention to detail in this cabin is quite phenomenal. The Napa leather seats are so soft, and diamond quilting. Zeekr is doing an impressive job of, I'm not going to say bringing luxury to the masses, it's certainly quite a high price, but they are definitely democratizing it a little bit. And I, for one, don't mind it at all. All right, let's check out the boot. And holy moly, that is pretty big. That goes back a long way, and there's a lot of stuff back here. 230 volt. Nice. 2,200 watts, 2.2 kilowatts. So you can run, that's basically V2L. You can run whatever you want off that. And look at all this stuff. Jack the front up and down. You can shut the seat. Oh, is this a 7-seater? No. Oh no, it's just doing the electrically adjustable third row seats. It's very impressive. Very impressive. So this is a big deal for Zeekr, and the new 8X is coming in first half of 2027. We don't know the exact price, but it is gunning for vehicles like the BMW X5 and the Range Rover Sport. What do you reckon? Is this something you might look at? And what price would you pay for this? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.